In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files by creating and using shared folders in Google Drive. If you're collaborating with a team or simply need to make files accessible to a few people, a shared folder is the simplest, most organized way to do it. Everything you place in that folder inherits the sharing settings you choose, so you don't have to set permissions file by file. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account to access your drive. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click the plus new button. From the menu that appears, select Folder. Give your folder a clear, descriptive name so everyone will immediately understand what belongs there. Something like Project Documents or Shared Assets. And click Create. Next, let's share the folder. Right-click the newly created folder and choose Share. A window labeled Share with People and Groups will open. In the field provided, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Take a moment to set the right level of access for each person. Viewer lets someone open and read the files but not change anything. Commenter allows them to view and leave comments, which is great for feedback without altering the originals. Editor grants full access to view, comment, and edit files, which is ideal for trusted collaborators who need to make changes. When you're confident about the permissions, click Send. The people you added will be notified and can access the folder right away based on the access you chose. Now add your content to the shared folder. Open the folder, then drag and drop files from your computer directly into the window. You'll see an upload indicator so you know when each file is finished. Alternatively, click the plus new button in the top left of the folder and choose File Upload, then pick the files from your device. Larger files may take some time, so keep the browser tab open until upload's complete. From this point on, all files you add to this shared folder are automatically available to the people you shared it with, and their access will match the permissions you set. This keeps your collaboration consistent and makes it easy for everyone to find the latest versions in one place. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.